hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino price, don't play but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion, screens light up. Holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino. No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight. From the whip to the close, everybody knows. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. Holy mochaccino, high and low. TP hit, arigato. Give me the night, give me control. Let the whole screen overflow. Holy mochaccino, that's the call. Yeah, arigato. Tonight's the night. StockTiger on the screen. Charts moving fast, candles whip side to side. Heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino price, don't play but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion, screens light up. Holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino. No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight. From the whip to the close, everybody knows. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. Holy mochaccino, high and low. TP hit, arigato. Give me the night, give me control. Let the whole screen overflow. Holy mochaccino, that's the call. Yeah, arigato. Yeah. moving fast, candles whip side to side, heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I yell holy mochaccino. Price don't play, but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion, screens light up. Holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino. No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight. From the whip to the close, everybody knows. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. Holy mochaccino, high and low. TP hit, arigato. Give me the night, give me control. Let the whole screen overflow. Holy mochaccino, that's the call. Yeah, arigato.
All right, Mike. What is up, everybody? Sorry, guys, I'm a little late. My apologies.
Yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move,
Just want to kind of make sure the mic is something just kind of feels off with the mic. Anyway, so I'll try to get it fixed a bit later. For now, let's get back into the trading mode, guys. We got 4 minutes to start at the Globex Asia here, and once again, guys, I think I've got to find a way to fix this mic issue.
no sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight. From the whip to the close, everybody knows. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. Holy mochaccino, high and low. TP hit, moving fast, candles whip side to side, heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino price, don't play, but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move.
All right, guys, I'm gonna have to find a way to fix that a little bit later. For now, let's get back into trading. All right, fellow traders, welcome back, everybody. Great to see you again, guys. All right. All right, got my apologies. There's something going on with the mic. We'll try to get that fixed once the streaming is over. But today, please, guys, bear with me. We'll all right, so I wonder how all of you did today. If you guys don't mind, let me know how you guys did today, guys. Yeah, something's really off with the mic. Yeah, my mic is off, which is fine. Well, I'll get it fixed, guys. I'm sorry. Yeah. I know you guys want to. Oh, the market's already started. So here we go, guys. We got the NQ. All right, so we are gonna start the day here. I am so off the chart right now. I'm just kind of got a little mixed up. Let's take a look at the MNQ here. All right. 1 hour chart, guys. I'm sorry, man. I don't think I'm sounding right at the moment. Just bear with me for today. We'll get it fixed again. Let's take a look at this market, guys. We kind of got a rejection of that 924, right? 924. 924 rejection of that level. The market trying to get a little bit of a bounce. We got a nice little squeeze towards the end of the day today. I definitely didn't see that coming. What a beautiful bounce of that low. That's a beautiful 80 points bounce. Actually, you know what? It's not even 80 points. It's 100 points bounce. Wow, incredible. What a beautiful bounce of that low here today, guys. Right? I mean, nice little squeeze towards the end of the day. Congrats to everybody who caught that move towards the end of the day. Wow, all you really had to do was like wait till the this is not even a power hour, towards the end of the day. Wow, what a beautiful squeeze towards the end of the day, which is great. Great to see a little bit of a comeback here on the NQ. I took a quick snap on the market this morning, and I was like, you know what, it's looking pretty weak, but somehow we found a way to get a little bounce back, and so far we're kind of holding, and that's 730, which is obviously very important. So we kind of held, and I like to kind of wait and see if we can actually end up holding this 730, right? Maybe we get a little bit of a bottoming process here kind of play out, and we hold this 730-ish, and then we try to get a bounce back again, and try to get back into the 780s at least. Good afternoon, guys, man. I didn't even call out the names in the chat. My sorry everybody. Sir Singh, what up, man? 44 Punisher, MS Manpreet Junior, Perfect Play, Trigger G73 in the house, Yochi Shop, the real DC trader, Rianello, what up? You blew 3 accounts today. Yeah, I mean, I'm kind of assuming that a lot of traders this morning kind of expect the market to get a bounce, right? So getting You know, if you're expecting this market to get a little bit of a bounce consistently throughout the day, then of course, and if you were kind of shorting this market, then you know, guess what? It's definitely going to be a hard day, right? The trend was clearly to the downside, and obviously you got a little bounce. But anyways, guys, I want to see if I can actually trade my Bulanox evals. I bought a few Bulanox evals to kind of try to trade the silver. I want to see if that kind of works out, right? I'll try. Let me just give myself a 1 minute chart here. No, I lied. 100 tick chart. Let me try to see if I can actually trade. I'll trade. I'll try. I'm not allowed. Am I allowed or what? Actually, you know what? It got filled. Oh, it got filled. It got filled. I'm just not sure. Yeah, it got filled, but it doesn't show my order. It's weird. How does that play out? Yeah, that's kind of weird. Oh, I see. There you go. Yeah, you're right. Oh my god. Sorry guys, man. I'm gonna have to flatten that trade. SI H26 or SL. I don't know. SI. It's only got one. I wonder what this is. This is micro. This is not even a micro. What is this? I'm gonna try and trade this. Am I trading micro? Is this micro? Anyways, we'll give it a try, guys. I wanna, but obviously my whole intention of trying to load in some Bulanox eval was to try to see if I can trade the silver, right? Not that StockTiger is kind of very interested in trading silver, but oh man, guys, this looks like a not a micro. It's a mini contract. All right, I could be in a little trouble, which is fine. I mean, I bought a few evals to kind of try to trade the silver. Let's try to have some fun here today. Guys, we gotta do another giveaway here today as well, so yeah, I know, like, yeah, I know, JV, man. As soon as the Intel is down about $200, or maybe 150, I'm not sure. How's Mexico? J-Rod, man. Joey Crypto, what is going on, man? Daily Day Trades, what up, man? 12 back in the house. Eric Kim. Yeah, I'm fully burnt. Yeah. Kusaf one. What is going on? Everybody, welcome back. Trade X investing in the house. ADP, Ochio, Trade Zeng Visti. Sprite Monkey, Monica Germany. That's not silver, but I don't have anything else. Like, as soon as I type in SI, this is the only symbol that kind of pops, right? So I don't think Bulanox offer yeah, I don't think they offer, what do you call this again? They don't offer. Guys, I'm gonna move my stop to break even. Actually, no, I lied. Yeah, I'll move my stop to break even here. I will exit this trade right now. Alright, I'll exit this trade right here, guys, with $1,000. Oh, yeah, I mean, the spreads are so bad. As soon as I flatten my trade, I'm already down quite a bit. So I'm just gonna keep flipping my accounts here. I'll try trading silver here, right? I'll try to short silver at 72.23, and that's another level of resistance that I'm kind of watching here. Yeah, so I didn't trade as well. I didn't trade at all today, really. All I really did today was buy a few accounts, and that was on deal, right? So I ended up, obviously, at some point I had to kind of regroup and kind of get back into trading Billanox. So that's what I did today. I bought some few evals, and I bought some Legend 150k accounts as well. And that's $126, right? $126 on a 150k account with how much drawdown? I can't remember exactly. I think it's well over 5,000 drawdown. So I bought the Legend accounts to trade the silver, right? So I want to trade the silver with the Legend, but it's still not popping here. Let me try to refresh this accounts, right? Try to see if I can actually yeah, I still don't see those accounts. It's weird. I hope I bought this account at the right platform. I hope I bought it for, oh shit, guys, we're gonna get a little bounce, man. My thing just pierced through that. Alright, guys, that got triggered. Oh, I need a mouse pad too. Lots of stuff going on here. All right, so let's try to see. I like to kind of wait and see. Yeah, so I got a little bit of profit on that trade. So I'm gonna do a lot of flipping. Sorry, not a flipping. A lot of quick snap scalp trades. I'm trying to see if I can actually get something out of this market, guys. Through trading silver. I mean, I don't know how to get to micro silver, so I'm gonna have to kind of trade the silver, right? Everybody, welcome back, guys. Thank you guys for being here today, and let's not try to forget to smack the like, guys. Take a few seconds of your time to do that. I love you guys. Thank you for your support to the stream. And yeah, we got a giveaway here, so type in exclamation tiger to give yourself a chance. All right, so let's get this going, guys. I don't know, it's I mean, as soon as you type in SIHL, no, sorry, SILH, yeah, it's not there, right? Globex is not offering that. I don't think so. Yeah, so I don't think they have. Yeah, I don't think there is. Yeah, I think it's the same thing here, so right? I don't think they have it, you know, unfortunately. Yeah, I don't think they have it, guys. It's the same thing at the end. Right, so that's all I have here, guys. I'm gonna probably have to yeah, guys, man, I don't think Belarus is supporting. I mean, I didn't know, and I didn't know, which is fine. We'll trade this, and that's the whole purpose, right? I wanted to just trade a silver. I don't really have a lot of time to to wait all day per se, so I'm going to be trading quite a few silver tonight with quite a few of my eval accounts. And I bought 3 accounts with 3 accounts. My Legend, right? They obviously have a deal right now that's 40% off, but it looks like I may have bought on the wrong platform. I hope it's not. I mean, I'm gonna get mad. I hope I didn't buy on a wrong account. Sorry, wrong platform. That's gonna be sucky, obviously. I really hope I didn't do that mistake. Oh my god, I bought it in the Rhythmic. Yeah, guys. Yeah, man, I bought it in the Rhythmic. God, I'm making too many mistakes, guys. I bought it in the Rhythmic. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna have to shoot an email to these guys and see if they can actually flip that to Tradevate. Oh my god, guys. Yeah, I'm making too many silly mistakes. You know, I lost one or two accounts. I cannot remember exactly how many it is, but I lost two accounts on my Trade 5, not trading that account. I can't believe that happened. It's incredible. Yeah, so I mean, obviously you guys have probably kind of noticed I've been pretty inactive, and I can't believe being inactive, you're kind of losing your accounts as well. That's incredible. No, that's not Billinox. Oh, no. So it's not Billinox that I bought on Rhythmic. I bought it on Legend Trading Firm. So you guys know the firm, Legend. I've been trading that firm for a little while now, but of course I haven't passed any of my accounts yet because I still haven't traded. I'm getting pretty close to passing one of them, but so I'm trading the Legend accounts. I bought 3 more accounts to trade on Tradevate. That's the Legend firm, but apparently I bought it on the Rhythmic. No wonder it's not showing on the Tradevate. Incredible, StockTiger. You are so great. It's pretty annoying that you know, I'm trying to kind of refresh myself and not try to get into a lot of trades. Is also making me lose accounts. That's really frustrating. So I'm gonna have to try to send an email to Tradify to kind of ask them to give me a little bit of an exception here. But I don't know if they're gonna be okay with it, unfortunately. Which kind of sucks, but hey, you know what? So I guess, you know what, it is what it is, right? You gotta have to constantly trade, at least try to be active, right? Meaning just try to flip the account if you can't trade as much, which kind of feels suck, but you know, it is. Unfortunately, that's just the way it is sometimes, right? All right, guys, we're getting a nasty pullback here in the silver. Hold on one second, guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna try and short this right at the 71.75. Holy, look at that, guys. What a dump here, guys. I'm gonna try micro scalp here. Silver, right?
Order filled.
Alright guys, I hope I don't get nuked on this silver trade right now. Alright, I'm gonna try to play. What do you guys see? Oh wow, look at that, guys. You guys see that? Hold on one second, guys. I'm gonna have to flatten this trade right here.
Order
guys, I see
filled.
that trade. Oh man, I'm down quite a lot on that. Whoa. It's okay, guys. By the way, I'm trading my eval account on Billinox. I bought it purposely to trade the silver. Okay. FYI, everybody. So do not try to be do not try to copy. Oh man, look at that bounce off that level. Look at that crazy little move, eh? And that's insane. I'll try to see if I can actually grab something out of this. I'll try to trade the silver. I'm okay to I'm willing to take a stab. It's fine. I just want to be able to you know, at least try to see if I can this is a pretty aggressive sell off and a bounce off that level, right? That was a pretty aggressive one.
Order filled.
I hope this isn't gonna dump right here. This is gonna account's gonna blow if it does that, right? Trying to see if I can actually get something. Let's try to make this a little bit of a fun, exciting night. Oh, there we go, guys. It's blown. We'll move to the next one. Wow, I can't believe, guys, this is a pretty no, it's a pretty quick one. Did not really take a lot of time. All right, guys. Am I nervous? No, I'm not nervous. I'm just trading. That's fine, guys. I'm trading. I'm gonna try and pass a couple trading silver today. I wanna quickly try to see. Yeah, I'm kind of running out of time too, so I'm like trying to squeeze myself, try to get to passing a few Bionox evals, right, to kind of have myself a better start to the new year on Bionox accounts. So we'll try to see, guys. All right, so here we go, guys. We are getting a little bit of a dumpage here, right? So where's my coffee? Oh man, I more than that, I'm really mad at Legend that I bought, and apparently I bought on the Rhythmic instead of buying on Tradovate, which makes me feel so bad right now because I'm gonna have to double work, right? I'm gonna have to send an email, try to follow up. You did the same thing with Apex. I'm gonna try and oh really? Okay, so apparently you're saying not to trade silver. Is that what it is? Well, hey guys, it's okay, man. We'll try to have some fun here today. I want to kind of test the water with silver, right? I want to try to test the water with silver. XYA Wata. How do you pronounce the name? Sorry, man. Wata X. I'm not sure if you remember me asking all these questions about 25k. I don't remember, but I mean, I'm really glad to see you do really well with the 25k account. If you did, I mean, that's super duper awesome. Great to hear you. Great to hear you doing really well with that account. Awesome. I want to give it a shot. I want to give it a try. I bought 6 accounts, so we'll try to see if I fail all 6. That's fine. You know, I wanted to kind of test the water with silver. I want to kind of engage myself and try to get a little bit of a better grip on the silver. I mean, I already know how to trade gold. I mean, I suck at gold, but I mean, I want to give it a try with silver and try to see if something kind of works out. You know, if it doesn't work out, then I'm done with silver too. You know what I mean? But I might as well try them with the Bionox evals because obviously, you know, it's the cheapest account that you can ever get. It's like $12. Oh, sorry, $15. So yeah, you guys are gonna see some little exciting night trading silver here, guys. I don't know if you guys is anybody trading silver at all or no? I know I've seen some streamers. I think I can't remember exactly who it was. Somebody was trading silver and banked quite a lot. So apparently, it looks like there is a lot of traders doing really well with silver. So I'm kind of I want to give myself a little bit of a try here. Try to see if I can actually you know, do better. All right, so I'm gonna try long here. Oh man, let's see. I'm on 100 tick chart, by the way, so we got a little bit of a resistance coming in at the VV up at 671.6, and of course we got. You know what? Let me just try to take a look at this from a larger time frame. I want to kind of take a look and see the bigger time frame and see where this market is really trying to get to. All right, I mean, obvious, very obvious, guys. We have a big level of support here, right? We got a big fat level of support, right? We have that here. We have that here. It's very obvious, right? So we have a nice little support kind of in that level here, right? The expectation is we kind of held, right? We're kind of getting a little bit of a bounce of that level. Yeah, but yeah, it does look like it wants to kind of dump. Maybe it's kind of forming the right head shoulders at this point. I don't know if you guys are seeing, but this is on a daily, on an hourly chart, and we got a left shoulder, right? We got a neckline, and we've got a right shoulder maybe forming right up here, and it really kind of makes sense to kind of get a little break, a bounce back into that level, right, and then give ourselves a rejection there and dumps, right, and then we flush down after getting rejection of that level, and that will be a nice beautiful rejection, right? Maybe we see something like this kind of play out. You know what I mean? Like, we gotta think about, we gotta start to think about the larger time frame. Yeah, but once we dip underneath that, you know, we've got some ways to go, to be honest, right? That could potentially kind of take us back down into, I would say, 68 area down to maybe about 65, right? 68 to 65 would be probably an area to kind of try to watch. And then if we break underneath that, we could see ourselves pull back all the way back. I don't know, man. This is too far off. I think we're kind of thinking too much now, overcomplicating our trades, to be honest. Let's try to do a little bit of a trend line as well on a longer time frame. We got a long time frame, a trend line, kind of seeing that little support, waiting in that $70, right, so I think this is a huge level. The level that we actually got a nice little bounce off from, that 70 area, kind of feels like a huge level, a big psychological level that we have to kind of hold. If we break underneath that, I think we could see this thing pull back all the way back down, and then I think this is gonna be huge monster, not a monster, an absolute disaster in silver. We're gonna have to kind of wait and watch, but that's a huge nasty pullback off that $82 anyways, right? So give or take, pretty nasty pullback. I think that probably started off from last night, which is not a coincidence. But let me just move back to the 100 tick chart here, guys. Yeah, so there we are, guys. We get a little bounce off this level now, but it's very obvious that we see these levels, right? So we really have to kind of get a hold the $70. So we'll keep an eye on that level. What's going on with NQ? All right, I mean, guys, man, we're only down 18 points, and you've got all caps on right now. You got all caps on and saying, look at MNQ. It's crazy. I mean, I think it almost kind of really feels like a spam, man. All right, so I'm gonna have to give you a little bit of a vacation, right? I'll give you a little bit of vacation here for you. You know, take a little break, have a little bit of a coffee at a Starbucks, and then try to be back tomorrow. And if you don't like coffee, you can have a little bit of a banana milkshake if you want. Whatever you feel comfortable. So yeah. Guys, I mean, after doing that, don't tell me I'm a bad guy. I've been very patient. All right, fellow traders, we are back again. All right, so we're getting a little bounce. Now I'm getting a little nervous trading silver, to be honest. All right, fellow traders, man, what is up, man? Everybody, welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Yeah, how did everybody do today, guys? What's the Apex PA fee? I think it's $65 on any accounts below 100,000, right? Anything below 100K, you're paying $65, not Canadian dollar, USD, right? US dollar, okay? So my fellow traders from Canada, it's USD. We are getting a little bit of a bounce on the silver, right? So I don't know, man. I may have to and I can't be scalping my trades either. Yeah, something's really so messed up with my mic and my chart. Everything is just so wonky, which is okay as long as you guys are here supporting and understanding. Yeah, something's really off, but it's okay. How did everybody do today, guys? Man, did you guys all kill it? Let me know, guys. What's wrong with the platform you accidentally bought? There's nothing wrong with the platform, but I can't. I bought those accounts to specifically trade on Tradovate, right? Not on Quantower. Because now I'm gonna have what? I've got 2 accounts on Tradovate and I've got 3 accounts on Rhythmic. You know what I mean? It's like, oh my god, you've got to be kidding, guys. It's incredible. That's the problem when you have too many platforms. I mean, I'm okay to kind of trade one firm with one platform, but to kind of spread all the accounts all over the place kind of really confuses me. You had a red, gringo, new loon, even red on one account, green on another. Nice. Yeah, you know what's kind of interesting is that I've seen a lot of traders. I've kind of noticed that a lot of traders, not just on our Discord but on Twitter too, that you know, they killed it with the silver, you know, this and that. But the addiction, I kind of feel like could be real. You know, that's what I kind of got into gold, and I kind of feel like silver could be like times 100. You know what I mean? The kind of an addition you could actually get into. I kind of feel like silver could be much more serious, times 100 in my opinion, when you compare that to obviously the gold. So yeah, man, it's pretty wild. But anyways, guys, I am trading here. I'm gonna try my level best to not get into an addiction mode with silver. It's just that I'm kind of running out of time, and I'm willing to kind of risk a couple evals to try to see if I can, you know, 2 things: test the water with silver, see if I can actually trade with silver, number 1, but also try to see if I can quickly pass on my trading silver too. We'll see how that goes. Henry, you bought 12 and you blew 9, and then did you pass the other 3 though? It depends on how quickly you lost and how quickly you pass as well. So if you're able to pass that 3 accounts, you passed 3, and if it took you like a few seconds to kind of pass that account, maybe that would have been worth it, you know, because you're gonna save the time to trade your funded accounts. You know what I mean? I don't know. Yeah, I mean, the market's gonna be obviously really slow in the next few days, right, towards the end of the year. And I was kind of thinking about reloading Billionaires accounts and try to pass a few, and try to see if I can actually get to funded accounts with Billionaires before we start the new year. But in order to do that, probably, and of course I'm not in my desk right now, so it's going to be tough, right? So I said, okay, well, maybe trying to trade silver may be a good idea right now. Try to get familiarized with silver as well. The silver kind of slow right here, so let's try to see if I can actually move to gold. NQ, gold, silver, gold is slow too. And is it just something's going on here or what? Or just not moving at all? I'm not sure. Oh, okay, so the market is just slow, and that's what it is. Yeah, the market is just really slow, guys. And you know what? I don't know. The NQ was looking a lot better today. After that, we got a little squeeze, and the squeeze was pretty good squeeze that we actually got. And then, of course, the market ended up giving a portion of that back. But let's try to move that to like 30 minutes chart on NQ, guys. I want to try to see We got a nice little support. We are kind of breaking down though, right? We got a big, massive level of support that I'm gonna kind of watch, and then so this is a huge level. If we break underneath that, I think probably see ourselves pull back into the 450s. I wouldn't be surprised if we do that, guys. So keep an eye on that too. And then the next big level is gonna be down in the 25. Guys, what's going on with the Santa Claus rally? Just not happening or what? Are we done? Are we done for the year? Is that what it is? So we got a big fat rejection obviously at the 721. Just gonna move back to the 50-minute chart here for a moment. Let's try to see. Yeah, guys, man. Yeah, a lot of my my mic is pretty. There's some configuration that I've got to fix in my mic. Number one, my charts are wonky too, so my apologies, everybody. I'll get it fixed. All right, so I'm just back to the 1 minute chart here. Let's just try to move back to the 100 tick chart, but we are getting that little bit of a rejection. Yeah, we got a rejection off that 770, getting a pullback here into the 680s as well. Gotta do a little support. Got a nice little support here, kind of in that 680. Guys, what is this little cross here? Is this a VWAP cross? I want to get rid of these. Jeez. Hold on one second. I'm gonna try and get rid of that, right? I wonder what that is. I don't even know what it is. Here. Oh, VWAP cross. That's the EMA cross. Okay, that's the EMA cross, guys. I'm gonna get rid of that. Yeah. All right. So, is this market even moving right now, guys? Oh, what is this, man? Or is my computer stuck? What deals do you like out there right now? In my humble opinion, the deals that I like overall would be Apex 90% off with the $65 activation fee. Take Profit Trader 40% off. That's gonna cost you about $100 on a 50K account. And then I also like a Legend, which I bought obviously right now. I paid $126 for a 150K account, right? With the biggest drawdown. So the only problem right now is that I bought on my Rhythmic, so I'm gonna have to try to get that fixed if I can. If not, then I'm gonna have to probably just end up trading on my Rhythmic, unfortunately, which is gonna kind of suck because I'm not able to get I'm not able to trade on my computer using the Quant Tower right now. So that's the only problem. But yeah, so I like the three at the moment. If I don't know if I really cannot recall any other deals at the moment other than these. Oh yeah, Lucid. I like Lucid too. So I like Lucid. I like Legend. I like Apex, and I like Take Profit Trader right now. These are probably the four best deals that I kind of see. You know, and they all have different strengths, right? So if you kind of feel uncomfortable trading the trailing drawdowns, then you want to be off the Take Profit Trader, you want to be off the Apex, and try to focus, put your time and energy into the listed accounts. All right. So if you want the cheapest and the biggest drawdown account, then I probably think the Legend, the 150K Elite would be the best deal right now with the 150K account size, and you're only paying $126 with a $9,000 target, and I think $6,000 drawdown with no DLL too. So I think that's pretty good. I like Legend. You know, we'll see how it goes. I really want to try to put my time and energy into the Billinox and Legend if I can, and see how it goes, guys. Man, I've got some ways to go. We'll try to see if I can actually trade those accounts as well. It's a little bit overwhelming, to be honest, here right now. But yeah, it's the legend. I don't know if which platform is best for beginners. Oh man, I don't know. It's I think Project X would have been the easiest one for beginners, but obviously we don't have that anymore. We don't have that option with other than Top Step. So if you are willing to pay a price to trade the Top Step, then I guess that's probably the best approach. But if not, then you can also do I would say Quant Tower. Quant Tower probably have all the features that Project X actually has, right? Easy managing your risk as well by having your limit order and also your stop loss and your take profit targets all at the same time, and you also know exactly how much you're actually losing in that Quant Tower platform itself, right? So that's pretty good. So one of the reasons I said, okay, well, I may want to get into the 150Ks on the Legend account. The number one, obviously it's $126 and that's one, but then I was like, you know what, maybe if I can trade the silver better, right, then I trade gold, then I have a good chance of passing those accounts without really taking too much of my time. You know what I mean? Yeah, but I don't copy trade anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Lucid gives you one free reset, 5 flex accounts. Really? Oh, I didn't know that. Gen 25. So guys, man, there we go. We have Lucid flex accounts. If you buy any Lucid accounts, 5 of them, you get 1 for free. That's incredible. So you're technically paying a lot less than $78 because right now Lucid flex you're paying $78 per account. So if you get 1 free out of the 5, if you buy 5, you get 1 free. So essentially, you're paying a little less than, I would say, a little over $70. Then that's pretty crazy, right? Yeah, I'm just a little upset because I I didn't realize I bought it on the Rhythmic on the guys, it's pretty slow. The silver, sorry, not the silver. The NQ is pretty slow.
Order filled.
I went long here with silver. Too many contracts, guys. I know what you guys are gonna tell me. I'm just taking a stab, guys. Right? I'm taking a stab here. We'll see how it goes. I may be well, you know what? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm actually gonna. Oh, look at that move. Hold on. I don't even know what the heck is going on right now. To be honest, you gotta be kidding, guys. It's not going to feel that. Hold on 1 second, everybody.
Order filled.
All right, I exited that trade because we are obviously in that level of resistance there at the EMA 71.6 area, so I kind of took it off. I'm gonna have to kind of wait to see a little bit of a pullback now, maybe. Well, all right, guys. Oh, by the way, sorry, man. I forgot to start the entries. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, man. Completely forgot. I'm sorry, man. I'm definitely not in that trading mode. Put it that way. My apologies, everybody. What the heck was I thinking there? Yeah, I'm making a lot of mistakes. This is probably the moment I've got to be extremely careful in my trading. Right? This is definitely the moment I've got to be careful. I am so sorry, guys. If you feel bad about StockTiger and making a lot of mistakes, please do not forget to smack the like, guys. Support the stream. Thank you so much, guys. We got over 500 viewers with only about 80 likes. Let's try to show some love here. StockTiger is not feeling good right here, right now. Show some love, everybody. All right, let's see if we get a little pullback here on the silver. All right, all right, all right. Let's see. Let's try to see. I am still haven't given up on trading silver. I'm just trying to see if I can actually get a better entry point. What if I try to short this bad boy? There's no. I guess this is what it is, right? There's a little the risk tolerance to an error with the silver. I guess it's far less than obviously gold. Guys, you're gonna have to type in again exclamation tiger right here, right now, guys, because I just opened the entries now. I completely forgot that the entries were already going on, and so you're gonna have to re-enter. Guys, by the way, please try to re-enter exclamation tiger right here, right now, to give yourself a chance to participate. Okay? Do not forget. Redo it again. It takes only about a few seconds. And if I get a lot of love, we could do 2 giveaways, guys. If I get a lot of love here today, it depends on what kind of love I get. All right, so, man, is anybody trading gold right here? Sorry, anybody trading silver? Anybody trading silver? Mike? Mike? Mike. Mike. If the buffer, for example, 26,100 in 25k, will there be a maximum? Thank you. The buffer. On what account are you talking about? Oh, by the way, guys, yeah, I mean, Merry Christmas, everybody, if I missed out. And Happy New Year as well to everybody, guys. We only have a few more days. We only have 2 more days, guys. A new year. I hope all of you are closing your year strong with no real big damage, guys. And if you guys had a really tough year, you guys want to share? I want to know if you guys don't mind. Got 71.8. No. Oh man. All right, so hold on 1 second. I exited that trade. Maybe it's easier to trade gold, I think. What sounds very depressing? Alright guys, we get a little bounce. You mean my sound, my voice? Oh man, look at this NQ, it's not moving at all here, everybody. Probably better off just trade silver here at this point. Getting a nice little pump here, 71.9. Surge what? 187 evals bought, 8 passed, all blown. It's okay if you got payouts though. Surge what? Did you end up getting some payouts though? I mean, not on these accounts, but maybe something else. Bro, StockTiger, my man, always on the opposite side, trade of you. Well, that's good. If you are banking, I'm okay to lose if you are banking, bro. It's all good. It's all good. Yeah, I've got to fix my mic. I realized that there's a little bit of a glitch here. My mic is definitely not sounding normal. So I'm gonna get those fixed tonight. And I'm a little concerned about my the Legend account that I bought. I'm gonna have to send an email. I don't know if I'm gonna get a response. And I don't know if they're gonna be able to do that too. So I may have to trade those accounts on my Quant Tower. Maybe that's the right approach. And maybe that was a good thing to try to trade. I mean, well, I was kind of thinking about shifting a lot of my firms to Quant Tower to begin with, anyways. But I don't think I'm muted. Well. Well, you sound like you're well, I'm not gonna say that. Yeah, I was gonna say something bad here for Mr. Bruh, but anyways, what's the symbol for silver and Quant Tower? I don't have the Quant Tower open right here, but I'm probably assuming it's something like SI, maybe. Maybe somebody else can maybe share that info. Yeah, just something's just off. I'll get it fixed. I mean, obviously, it's most probably because I'm just not in front of my. I'm not in at my desk, so I think the configuration kind of got messed up. I'll get it fixed, guys. Thank you guys for your understanding. So let's see, guys. Are we going to get a bounce in the silver? Just based off what I see in the gold, right? The gold looks like it's trying to get a bounce. Yeah, it looks choppy, right? What a nasty pullback in gold. I didn't even see this pullback. I don't know if you guys capitalized on that move. And that's a pretty nasty pullback here. Wow, what a big move in the gold. I didn't see that today. Can we kind of expect to see a bounce at least maybe back into the 43.78 maybe? You know, try to see. Yeah, this is a bearish kind of move, right? And then maybe we get a nasty pullback down, right? Maybe something like that. Get a little bounce back into the 43.78. Give us that little bit of a dead cat bounce, and obviously you have the nice, beautiful level of a resistance. We go here, right? That's a big level that we kind of kept failing, and eventually we found a way to get a nice, beautiful break to the upside. But now we broke underneath that, and now we're pulling back, right? So I don't know. We obviously got a beautiful pierce through that the key level 80, and we are underneath that now. So maybe get a little bit of it that get bounced back into, which obviously was a prior support, and now acting as a major level of resistance, right, in that 43.80. So maybe we could get a little bounce maybe into that level and try to give us another leg to the downside, right? Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if you do something like that, right, in the gold. So maybe I'm gonna have to stay patient. I don't know. I'm gonna try micro scalp though, right? I want to try micro scalp this bad boy, but the gold is not looking as great. Let's go back to the silver here for a moment, but the gold, the silver looks slightly better, right? But that's a I'm gonna try and short this right in that 72 area, right? 72 area. I'm gonna try and short this bad boy right there, guys. We'll try to see if I can. Right, I'm trying to short this at $72, right? $72. Give myself a little bit of room, and obviously there's no point in trying to find an what do you call this, stop loss, my SL, because if you get a pierce through my entry, then account's gonna get blown because you only have so much drawdown to kind of survive the trade. If you get a bounce into the 72.15, so. Okay, so you guys are actually thinking the silver looks strong. You guys are thinking silver looks a lot stronger for a squeeze here. Is what you guys seeing right now? That's yeah. I mean, obviously we did not get a bounce off that low for no reason. So I'm kind of thinking maybe you guys are right. Maybe I was wrong. Let's try to let's try to visualize. Okay, so let's just virtually say, okay, I'm short at 72. All right, guys, we pierced through that. Initially, my entry was at $72. I want to kind of wait and see now. Let's see if I was in this trade, what would have happened now? Okay, so we hit that pivot now. Let's try to see if we can break out of this pivot and try to see if we can get back into the 34. Yeah, the Bulanox does not support the, what do you call this? It doesn't support the micro silver, right? So that's the problem. All right, let's say I'm assuming that I'm in a trade here, guys, because my initial my entry was in that 72.05. I don't want to just blindly get into trade right here. I want to see the reaction at this level here. Yeah, so by now I would have, well, I think maybe by now my account could have been blown. Yeah, so we're kind of getting pretty close to 170. And we got Tokyo in about yeah, Rob Williams says we got 4 more minutes for Tokyo. Yeah, man, I keep forgetting about Tokyo, by the way. Oh, thanks for letting me know. Now we're getting a little bit of a squeeze in the silver, which was not something that I was looking for. But assuming that I entered at 72.08, I'm pretty close to getting blown, right? I'm pretty close to getting blown. So, right? I'm pretty close. Yeah, that's right. We are getting a bounce. Maybe I should have just long there in that, but I mean, that's hindsight, right? So we're obviously in that pivot, so I want to kind of wait and see. Yeah, I was trying to short earlier, right? So I'm now kind of assuming that if I was in that trade, this account would have been pretty close to getting blown, right? Yeah, I'm gonna have to download the Quant Tower on this computer and trade those legend accounts. I mean, I think I could probably do a better job trading those larger accounts with the silver. I may only trade silver on that account, so try to see if I can pass those or. Right, I don't know if that's gonna be tonight or I don't think so, but probably tomorrow morning I may try. Again, using my phone. Fellow traders, once again, thank you guys for being here on a beautiful beautiful Tuesday afternoon, guys. All right, we're having a little bit of a tough time. Trying to get a little bounce off that 72. Whoa! We have a donation here. Thank you so mucho. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for that beautiful donation. What a perfect motivation for StockTiger. No, it's Monday. I made a mistake. My apologies. Thank you mucho. We have thank you. God, so many trolls here. What's going on here every day, guys? Why do you have so many trolls, man? Bro, I'm gonna have to give you a little a break for you to go have some little coffee. We've got to find a way to bring some positive vibe, guys. No negativity, please. Be nice. If you're a troll, try to be nice. I understand it's really hard, but try. Try. Alright? Or try to DM me separately so we can have a little conversation. Alright, guys. We are getting a little break to the downside. Let's try to short this bad boy right now, guys. 71 point. So apparently, if I ended up going short on that trade, I'm still alive in this account. So it's kind of funny.
Order filled.
Alright, guys, I went 3 mini contracts on silver. Holy mochaccino. I'm absolutely smoked on that trade for sure now. I'm gonna place my stop at the break even now as well. I try to see, guys. Well, let's try to see if we can actually get something out of this right now.
Order filled.
Okay, I got fill 1. I'm gonna move my stop to, I would say, let's try to see if I can move my stop to 71 point. Well, I'm gonna try and move my stop to 71.95, and I'm gonna be looking for that. Oh man, look at that, guys. I may have to give myself a little bit more room here, guys. I may have to give myself a little bit more room. No. All right. Oh, there you go. That was pretty close, everybody.
Order filled.
You can see it. Oh my god. That was a lot of fun, guys. Well, not bad. Not bad. We're gonna move to the next one. I'll try to keep rotating. Oh, that was not a bad trade, right? That was not a bad trade. Now, if I try to, well, I do not want to long this bad boy right here, man. That's a pretty fat rejection of the high, right? So I probably want to kind of watch and see how this price is going to actually react at this VWAP, right? Everybody, cheers. NKD. All right, so I'm also taking a look at my trader rate, and I kind of see NQ pulling back here, guys. 0.25% down, about $30 pullback here on the NQ, which obviously not what I expected, to be honest, man. Not a great looking chart from an NQ standpoint, right? I just don't like what I see. I mean, that doesn't mean that we can't get a bounce, right? This market will definitely give us a lot of surprises in the next few days. And now that we are kind of pretty close to the new year, the Santa would have definitely started by now. And by the way, thank you to Sparkling for your support to the stream, for your beautiful donation here. Really appreciate it, you know. Definitely gives a boost. Lots of motivation. Thank you once again. And to everybody being a member of the stream, your support to the stream definitely means truly the world. And thank you guys once again for doing that. And obviously thank you guys for being here as well every day with us. We are getting a little bit of a bounce on the silver, but I mean, yeah, I mean, NQ is just kind of a little boring at this point, right? It's just not doing anything. The market's kind of slow, and yeah, it's kind of chopping, you know, a little bit of a chop and then flush down. You know, the flush down is probably about 10 points flush, and then kind of chop through the, you know, next a while, and then it's like dumps again, 10 points, and then chops again for the next few hours, and then chops again. And then dumps 10 points, you know what I mean? And the dump is not necessarily a huge dump, but just a small little minor pullback. No one's really trading at this point, I think. We got a nice little squeeze though towards the end of the day today in the morning, but I definitely did not see that. But anyways, I think it's kind of chopping still so far in the NQ world. So we're going to have to leave that NQ on the sideline for now. Try to put our attention back into the silver here for a moment. Honestly, the gold isn't doing anything either, so $71.8. Oh, do we have a lot of monkeys in the house? It's okay. It's just part of the journey, you know. You're gonna have a lot of bumps along the way as you kind of grow the channel too. So I understand the pain that I've got to go through, which is fine. Which is fine, everybody. StockTiger. poor StockTiger has to go through all this. Oh, you gotta dig by. Okay, you guys can see me. Everybody, thank you guys for being here, man. I had to kind of like cover my hair because it's kind of like a bit messed up. What Pablo, man? What is going on, bro? What Pablo in the house? Yeah, we got a lot of mods on the YouTube channel. I think we should be fine. I'm scared, everybody. Just ban everybody. I'm trading on my Billionox, right? I bought a few Billionox eval accounts to try to trade and try to see if I can actually pass a few. I'm okay to kind of like try to pass a 3 or 4 and then and then maybe reload a few more, right? To have a pretty strong start to the 2026. Obviously, from a Billionox standpoint, I've been pretty bad with Billionox, right? This year, so I'm trying to get better at it, right? Yeah, I'm quite satisfied with my journey so far. I mean, you know, it's been a strong year. So, am I a little concerned about 2026? Yeah, I am, of course. Yeah, I mean, we all as a trader, we have to be definitely a little concerned about how we are going to play out in 2026. We want to see how it's gonna kind of look like. Right now, it's kind of a very low visibility, right? So I don't really have that much of a visibility on how it's going to look like, right? But I do kind of feel like it's a lot better than last year, right? Because last year, come this time of the year last year, I had a pretty bad start, right? I had a pretty bad start to the year. So right now versus last year same time, it's way better, way better, right? And on top of that, you got a much bigger payout too. So, you know, I'll take it, you know, I'll take it. And I'm trying to be a little patient, and you know, I mean, guys, think about it. The market obviously is going to give you, you know, I mean, the kind of an opportunity this market is kind of presenting for us in the last, you know, week or two, has been very limited, right? And if we are trying to kind of force ourselves to try to get to a lot of good trades and make a lot of profits to get the payout, I think that's a bit of a mistake, you know what I mean? So I think maybe we have to kind of try to, you know, lower expectation, right? Have a realistic expectation and a goal too, moving into the rest of the, you know, the few days that we have to finish the year, right? So all right, fellow traders, here it's the silver here at 72. I'm trading my Billionox eval accounts, right? I told you this again. I'm trading my Billionox eval account to try to see if I can trade number 1 silver, and I want to test the water using obviously my cheapest accounts that I have here, right? So, and at the same time, I want to kind of try to be able to succeed in trading my silver, my Billionox account for next year. My goal next year, obviously. My lowlights were probably, I would say, Billionox, right? So for 2025, that's my weak point. So, and I know a lot of you guys did really great job in trading Billionox this year, and kudos to all of you who did really well trading Billionox. But for StockTiger, for whatever the reason, it may be no excuses, just to not do well. So I think it's that time of the, you know, of that moment where I have to make a strong comeback here, you know, and make this, you know, one of my strength into the 2026, and that's gonna be great. All right, guys, we're at 72.2 here on the silver. Obviously, the overall market kind of really slow, right? So let's just take a look at the gold here for a moment, but The gold trying to get a little bit of a bounce. Like I said again, we could try to see the metals looks like they want to get a little bit of a bounce. I kind of see that happening, while the NQ is kind of giving us that pullback, right? Just take a look at the NQ. It looks definitely a lot weaker, right? So it's a low high to me on NQ. Maybe what I should do is try to trade.
Order filled.
Hold on one second, guys. I think I got into the wrong trade. Is it what it is? Why am I? Oh my god, I'm trading silver. Okay, sorry, man. I think I have. I'm trading silver. Well, it's a good thing I trade silver. Look at that pullback here. All right, so I'm gonna have to exit this trade right here.
Order filled.
All right. Well, that's a nice little $50 trade on that. I want to try and move back to NQ, try to trade NQ here for a moment. Yeah, man, I honestly... Let's try gold. The gold slow. Let's try NQ again. NQ and silver looking well. Even the NQ kind of looks weak, right? You know. Good afternoon, Mr. Apush. What is going on, brother? Justin Rod in the house. Do you know anything about Billinox? I haven't heard anything from Billinox. You know, I quite surprising that Billinox has been relatively quiet. If I'm not wrong, with no updates on how and when they're gonna be moving accounts back to Rhythmic. Weird, but when they do, I guess they will. But New Year's Eve, the market's closed. That's right, Mr. Universal Vibe. Layden, Thomason, tons of liquidity, 72.9. 72.9. Oh, sorry, man. Apash, what's the activation in Billinox is 148. 148, and then obviously you're paying for eval accounts. That's $16 for eval accounts. Legend accounts are end of day drawdown. Alright, fellow traders, man. Guys, we will I want to try to get 2 account giveaway here today. If you guys want to show some love, smack the like, guys. Take a few seconds of your time to do that. And I want to try and do 2 giveaways here today, if I possibly could. And then we'll come back tomorrow as well. It's a countdown to the new year, guys. 2 more days only, right? 2 more days. So tomorrow we will do a 150k Take Profit Twitter account giveaway. So hopefully you guys don't miss that opportunity. Hopefully I get a chance to see you guys, all of you, back tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be a 150k Take Profit Trader account giveaway tomorrow night. Tomorrow night, guys. Would love to see you guys back tomorrow. Yeah, absolutely. We're gonna smoke this market, slay this market. All right, fellow traders. I'm gonna, I'm just based on what I see on NQ and gold both. Probably see silver, probably the better one out of all, right? Yeah, what a volatility in the silver though, right? That's a pretty nice little bounce off that low at $70, 70.6. And I would like to kind of wait and see. Am I a little concerned? Yeah, I mean, because the silver has obviously zero tolerance, right, to mistake. So if you're on the wrong side on silver, like, just kind of, you have to assume you're gonna blow that account, right? So that's why it's gonna be very important to kind of really try to be careful in trading silver. And of course, I would only do that with my eval accounts, especially the cheaper ones. I wouldn't be trading silver on my more expensive ones anyways. And yeah, I think if you're on the wrong side, I think you get smoked, right? Silver. Yeah, it looks like a tough one to trade, silver for sure. But I'm giving a try. I'm trying to see if I can actually get something out of this market, guys. Tomorrow to the market, 5 p.m. It's a wrap, so everybody's happy trading. Yeah, the market definitely is. Yeah, King Moselle. At some point, Billinox has to move back to rhythmic, right? I don't think they'll be able to continue trading. Yeah, I don't think so. Henry W View 3744. Hey Tiger, your 12 Apex buys today were all with the code. Henry, I thank you so much, brother, for using my code, and I thank you everybody for your support as well. Right? Thank you, Henry, and thank you everybody as well. And yeah, my apologies for the mic issue. The sound's kind of wonky. So guys, this market, the silver 72.2. Do kind of feel like, we get a little bit of a break here to the upside, but again, I'm gonna try and long silver here on that a little bit of a pullback if we get. Or are we actually gonna do something like this here in silver? I'm trying to get back into the VWAP. Is that what it is? I kind of like a setup for short. I don't know what you guys see, but I just kind of feel like, I may be wrong. Anybody check gold? Let's take a look at the gold here, everybody. Let's see what we have here in the house. Gold is definitely getting a little bit of rejection of that key level, but right here I do see that kind of playing out. Maybe a little pullback down into the VWAP. Maybe should I try to give this a little bit of a try? Oh, Universal, thank you, brother. Thank you for trying to promote StockTiger. I appreciate it, man. Shout out to Universal Vibes. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Yeah, I know this mic kind of sounds weird, but yeah, nothing I can do at this moment while we've got a stream going on right here, so yeah, so we get a bit of a rejection on the gold, right off that 43.64 area. All right, really trying to see what the gold and the silver is trying to do. All right, guys, I'm gonna try and short silver. Now, I mean, this could be a little bit of a mistake. I'll try to give this a try and look for that pullback down, maybe into the 71.9. And I'll try to scale into my trade as well. I'm in a mini contract on Trans Silver, so I'm gonna have to maybe do a little bit of a tilt, if you will. We'll try to see, guys. I may be on the wrong side, and it surely could be, but I'm gonna have to do a little bit of a micro scalping if I can here, and look for that a pullback into the $72. Let's just round the number back into 72, guys. All right, I could be wrong. Guys. Thank you guys once again for being here. Do not forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys are new. By the way, StockTiger goes live every day during Globex ASIA at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time, and also go live in the morning, New York, minimum twice a week at 10:30 a.m. in the morning. Not this week, not next week, but usually I am obviously up streaming in the morning as well. And glad to see you guys here.
Order filled.
Thank you guys for being here as well. Type in exclamation tiger to give yourself a chance to participate on our giveaway as well here tonight. And don't forget to smack the like, guys, as well. If you guys want to show some love. Thank you guys once again. I am trying to short this gold.
Order filled.
Sorry, I'm trying to short silver. Looks like I'm gonna get smoked on this bad, but holy, look at that, guys. Hey, wow, look at that pump. That's a pretty nasty bounce that we are kind of witnessing here, guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, I'm just gonna full port. There's no point. Yeah, no point. I think this is gonna go, which is fine.
Order filled.
All right, there you go. It's gone. Wow, look at this, man. This goes pretty quickly. Wow. Are we actually gonna pierce through?
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, I'm gonna my auto got triggered, my TP got triggered, sorry, and up $300 now. I'm trying to see if I can actually hop on a long here. Yeah, I'm trying to see. I'm kind of trying to test the water silver, because I heard everybody are doing really well with trading silver and gold. So I mean, not specifically silver. So I want to try to test the water and see what I can do. Right? Better kind of trying to gauge trading silver here. Guys, man, look at that. Hold on one second. All right, so I am trying to go long here. It's 48. Yeah, this is right at the top here, man. I don't even know. Are we gonna just keep squeezing here in silver? Is that what it is?
Order filled.
Oh man, I just got filled again.
Order filled.
All right, I'm trying to long silver. Yeah. Yeah, trying to trade silver, you definitely need a bigger account and bigger drawdown. But even then again, I mean, you gotta have, I mean, I think silver definitely has zero tolerance to. You really got to make sure that you're on the right side, or try to micro scalp, but make sure that it kind of gets into
Order filled.
Oh my gee, guys, man, my order got filled. StockTiger in trouble now. Yeah, I like this picture. Actually pretty good. Look at this guy. No, I think this is not no, I disagree. Nope. All right. Yeah, I'm trying to go long here. I want to see. Let's see, guys. We get a little bit of a bounce of this 72.46. Maybe a good short, really. I'm trying to long here. I'm trying to long here. I'm trying to long, and I have a hard stop. Oh my god, what was that? One second. I thought I lost, but I'm up. $400 on that trade. It's weird. All right, guys. I'm gonna try and short this from the 72.55 and look for a pullback down to the 0.36. Everybody, thank you guys for being here once again. Thank you guys, man. Over 600 viewers. And thank you guys for smacking the like as well. Show some love once again. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do. I don't know if this is spread, but I thought I lost. I thought I got stopped there, but apparently it hit my TP, I think. I don't know. I made $400, so I'll take it. It's a weird yeah, it's a weird instrument. Silver. I mean, StockTiger trading silver. I mean, I can't even get my stuff together trading gold. He's like, well, I'm gonna try silver. Wow. Gold trying to get a breakout, guys. 1 second. Yeah, this is pretty much a silver, pretty much StockTiger just trading silver here, right? Gold trying to break out, is that what you're seeing? Hold on 1 second, what the time right here? Yeah, I've got, I still have about 20 more minutes to go. It will stop you, but feel you're higher because it's thin. Maybe that's what it is, you know. Maybe I got filled. Because I had TP and SL both at the same time, and apparently my TP got hit before hitting my SL. It looked like it hit my SL, but apparently not. So, Jay Store in the house. What is going on, man? PG contract. Henry, what is up, brother? Duck and Michael, Cloud, what up? 12 back. Jay Han, Karimov, what is up? Shonel Glatte, what is up, brother? Shonel Glatt, LATR Do, Bobby 48, 408. JT in the house, man. Tonic Flop, Gary, everybody, man, great to see you. Paven in the house, man. Paven, thanks for being a member. One of our longest member, including Paul Pablo. I really appreciate it, guys. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much to all of you, to all the members, and all the donations, and everybody using my code as well. Thank you so much, everybody. And of course, you guys being here itself obviously truly means the world. And thank you guys for being here every day with us. By the way, for the newer viewers, I go live Globex Asia every single night. This is not what it sounds normally. I've got a little bit of a glitch on my mic, so just bear with me for the next few days. I guess I'll try to fix that into tomorrow. And yeah, and also go live in the morning too, New York, twice a week at 10 a.m. in the morning, Eastern time. So don't forget to smack the notification bell to always get notified every time I go live as well. So I went, I am trying to short this bad boy right now, guys.
Order
man.
filled.
Oh, my mochaccino, look at that. Oh, maybe I am not doing the right thing. I'm not sure. We'll see. 1 second, guys. I may try to exit my trade here. The thing is, there's just no tolerance, right? There's no tolerance to, if you're on the wrong side, I think the silver is just gonna get you, so. Ooh,
Order
maybe
filled.
I got it, guys. Oh, there we go, man. $300 right off the bat. That's not bad. So I guess, I mean, while the NQ and the gold is not doing anything so far, I mean, let's just you know, maybe try to take a look at the, I mean, wow, look at that, guys, man. While the silver is kind of moving, NQ did not really do anything here, right? And then let's just take a look at the gold as well. But I don't think the gold has not done anything as well. Gold is G6. Use the previous setting here. Yeah, and the gold hasn't done anything. Just 0.25%. 16 points up here. And this is on a... Let's move back to 15-minute chart here for a moment. But yeah, so it's like... What is so bullish in gold? Somebody mentioned how bullish the gold is, trying to get a nice little breakout to the upside. I don't know. Somebody mentioned gold is breaking out, but I don't see any breakout so far. And NQ also really not doing anything at this point, right? I mean, just take a look, guys. Just really not there or anything. So I guess the silver is probably the way to do this, right? For now. Getting a little pullback here on the silver, guys, man. This is looking pretty interesting here. Pretty dicey here on the silver. I'm gonna be looking for that little bit of a bounce and then try to see if we can get a little bit of a flush back as well. I'm taking a stab at this trade, guys. We'll see now. I'm really looking for that little bit of a pop and then maybe break down and try to give us a pullback
Order
into
filled.
72.2. All right, we are already there now. All right, guys, let's see. I'm down about $300, right? I'm gonna be looking for that pullback into the next EMA support at 72.2. I may be cooked on this, for all you know, but I'm gonna try to give it a try on this. Let's see. I'll have my hard stop here. Yeah, I'm gonna give myself a little bit more room here to kind of play out. 72.7. Okay, so I'm gonna be risking about $1,500 to make about $900, a little less than 1-to-1 pretty much, risk reward, right? I think that much of a room you gotta give trading silver, I guess, right? That's the privilege you get trading silver. All right, great to see you here, back again. See phone in the house. What up, man? Duncan, Bashev live. Longhorn, Mr. Longhorn, Samir, everybody, thank you guys once again for being here. Oh, is this me looking for? And I wonder where you are. This is me. Alright guys, pulling back here. Just dump silver. You know you want to dump. Oh my mochaccino, look at that pullback. Oh guys, here we go. It was a nice easy. You guys see that? It was nice easy. You know, a little a small little $800. Getting pretty close to getting pretty close, guys. Just trading silver here today, right? Just trading silver. Oh, that is one. Let it be. Let it be. All right, my apologies, everybody. I am so not okay today. Guys, do not worry, guys. I'm just gonna fix that. All right, it takes a day or two. We'll get it fixed. You know. Do not worry, everybody. You know, I know, we know, they know, all know. All right, so the silver trying to get a little pop here, a poo-poo bounce. You know, I kind of smell StockTiger kind of feeling a lot more comfortable trading silver than gold. I may be wrong. We'll see. You know, I nuked 2 accounts here. My Bjornox Eval, I nuked 2. I nuked 2 right now, but I got nuked 2, and my 3 accounts are pretty close to passing. So, well, not pretty close, but I mean, over $1,000 of profit on each of these accounts. Actually, you know what? $1,200, right? So, the risk reward is there. Trading silver on an Eval account. Right, I just kind of feel like, you know, maybe there's a little bit of an opportunity trading silver on these evals to kind of try to pass, right? The goal, the idea is to try to pass as quickly as I possibly could, right? That's the whole goal, and that's the whole intention here, right? And maybe the silver is the way to do it. I don't know. I haven't decided yet, but I mean, I just kind of feel like so far the silver is definitely presenting with an opportunity here, right? On a very slow day like today, are you crazy? Like, look, gold and silver not doing really anything as much, but you see, we're trying to get into 1 or 2 mini silver contracts, and then we're kind of, you know, we blew a few, but we also kind of did pretty well on the other accounts. So it's kind of like, you know, it kind of you know, it's not as clear right now, but I just kind of feel like this is definitely presenting with a much better opportunity. We'll think about it. You know, so far looking pretty pretty good, I think. Pretty good. What the heck is intoxicated, guys? What the heck is that now? Holy. I have no idea. Roa traits in the house, man. Any Bullnex codes? ID 91684. All StockTiger's code starts Tiger. Tiger is all my codes across all the firms. I don't have any different names, guys, by the way. All my codes are Tiger, Tiger. Thank you once again for using my code too. I really appreciate it, guys. Tiger, did you get an email from Apex for what again? What email? That you are banned? Is that I don't want any kind of an email like that. Not especially in this kind of not towards the end of the year, please. I don't want to get banned from by anybody. About strategy. Holy mochaccino, man. Raw tricks. I don't think I've got it from Apex. I did get an email from Take Profit Trader though. Well, I got an email from Take Profit Trader. Oh, actually no. Hold on. I think I lied. About the strategy, I did not get any email from Apex. No. I got a little confused, but no, I didn't. Yeah, no email from Apex about any strategy. Well, maybe they did not send me an email because they know what I'm gonna say. Full port. StockTiger strategy. Full port. Just kidding, guys. Alright guys, we get a little bounce off that EMA 72.2. It's a nice little bounce off that level, right? So I don't know what this is really gonna do. Guys, yeah, I mean, you know, let's not try to be too serious today, you know what I mean? Like, it's a beautiful, you know, beautiful day, beautiful afternoon, you know. We're countdown 2 days for the new year. You know, why stress? Why stress, everybody? Don't do that. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. We only have a few more days to go for the year to close. Let's all try to stay disciplined. Do not try to lose any of your funded accounts. Don't be like StockTiger, being inactive on accounts. And inactive meaning obviously they end up taking your account away. It's very unfortunate. Yeah, NQ is definitely out of whack, man. Look at that NQ, man. Holy mochaccino, look at that NQ, guys. 702, 720, 730. It's just that the whole entire night, guys. Maybe I should be trading silver. NQ now. I don't know, man. Yeah, I don't know. NQ is just not moving at all, guys. I'm on a 200 tick chart here, by the way, but it's just not looking good right here. And I'm using my 30-minute chart on the right hand side as well on MNQ, but we definitely have that. We're above the VWAP though. That's kind of like a little more promising here, but we can also get a rejection of this level. I think this is going to be very important. 727. We have to get a bounce off this 727 and give ourselves a little push back into the 730, guys. I don't know if you're able to do that. Yeah, I mean, it's gonna be it's definitely gonna get very interesting here. But we are getting that rejection right here, so. Yeah, I'm gonna fix my mic for sure by tomorrow. You guys are gonna see Michael Jackson in the house. Yeah. Either I fix or I get a new one. That's it. One of the two. StockTiger back here tomorrow. Hey, fellow traders. All right. Yeah, it's kind of, well, just sitting there, right? I mean, that's probably the reason why I was trading silver here for a moment. Silver getting a little pullback here, by the way. But I think the silver starts to move. It kind of moves pretty quickly too. So I've got to be extra careful trading silver, right? So just moving to the new account that I just bought at 72.2. Oh, gold is dumping. Let's take a look at the gold here, guys, for a moment. Somebody's saying gold is dumping. If it's like a few points dump, I'm gonna get mad at you, Mr. Adriano. Oh my God, you're right. Look at the gold, guys. Gold is dumping like crazy. It's falling all over the place right now. The gold. Zach T, you lost your mind funded futures. They're such a trolls, man. Why would they do that? Why would they do that? Such a bad people. Nobody does that to Zach T. Okay? Nobody does that to Zach T. Okay? You heard me. Or, yeah. Okay, so we just hit underneath the VWAP on the gold, right? Or at 43.50 here, the gold looks like it wants to just push back down. Trust me, man, it's not looking that great. Somebody mentioned, I don't know, the gold with the way it looks. The gold looks like there's got a little more room to the downside, right? In the meanwhile, I'm gonna try and short the short silver here. Kind of feel like, you know, silver. You know, okay, let's just target the VWAP here, right, on the silver. Let's look for that little bit of a pop here, and then and see if we get a little pullback down into the VWAP, right? That's gonna be a VWAP retest. So I'm gonna be looking for that little pullback down, and try to see if we can actually get a rejection of that 35 to 38. And then give that follow through, extend the move here to the downside into the VWAP, and see if we can retest the VWAP here, guys. They're moving. All right, so, well, I'm trying to short this. Maybe I'm on the wrong side. Hold on one second, guys. Maybe not doing something right here. 72.3. I still kind of like a pullback here into this. Right back here. All right, Mr. Moneyneck Sean, thanks for being here. Yeah, it's definitely been a long day for you for sure. Take care. All right, so we get a little bounce, 72.3. I wonder what this market's gonna do. Gold rock pull coming. Yo, yo, yo. Yeah, I mean, everybody had a long day today, so... How many accounts do you have on your XFA? My XFAs are gone. It was 3-4 days ago. I told you my XFAs are gone now. It disappeared after trading with gold. It did not really take a long time to get destroyed. That was, of course, I did mention that on Discord, but I mean, pretty funny. It's weird how everybody does so well with trading gold, and it's like StockTiger. I don't know. Yeah, I've decided to not trade gold anymore, unfortunately. And my last try is gonna be the silver one, and we'll I may have to just call it on the silver too. We'll see. I mean, they all, at the end of the day, they're both I mean, they're metal stocks, right? So I do kind of expect a very similar sort of a price action, if you will. So I don't expect to see, well, silver seems to be a lot better, to be honest. I mean, it's just I just kind of feel a lot more comfortable trading silver. We'll see. I'll let you guys know how I kind of feel trading silver down the road. I don't really have too much conviction, to be honest, but I still want to give it a try, right? Why not? Why not? I'm gonna give them a try with the Billinox accounts and try to see. But I'm absolutely done with gold, though. You know, I mean, like I said again, I've been saying this over and over again, right? But one of my lower lights this year is two. One is gold and one is Billinox, right? This is two of my weakest, I would say my weakest point in my journey, I would say. And I'm not willing to give it a try again with gold, to be honest. I'm kind of done. Billinox, definitely something. I just have to pay more attention, right? I mean, Billinox, I can definitely do it. I mean, it's not a rocket science. It's just that I'm not really, I just kind of feel like, you know, it was always my back burner, you know what I mean? Like, by the time I'm said and done with trading other accounts, I'm like, you know what? Let's give it a try with Billinox, and I kind of like try to go a little more aggressive, just to kind of like quickly finish the day trading Billinox, and I get it. I end up getting into trouble. But we'll definitely come back. You know, we'll make a strong case. Try to make a strong comeback with trading Billinox, and we'll try to see. I really have to trade well with Billinox, right? I mean, it's one of those firms where you could probably get a really good payouts too. You just have to stay a little more disciplined and I don't know. Yeah, I mean, a lot of my accounts are blown because of gold, to be honest. And I don't know why, but I keep saying to myself, let's give it a try again. You know what I mean? Like, you see, there's so many traders on our Discord too, really doing well with gold. And I'm like looking at those messages, and I'm like, you know what? I should give it a try again. I should give it a try again. Over and over again. It's like non-stop, and I'm like, getting in trouble. It's a non-stop getting in trouble trading gold. Incredible. Yeah, so I better definitely stay away from gold for sure. It's just, you know, well, I don't know. Long story short, I'm done. That's it. That's all I can say for now. My TPT is doing fine. My TPT is doing fine. I just did not. I wasn't able to trade as much. I still have 4 accounts, 4 pro accounts, and I've got like 4 or 5 accounts of evals. That's pretty close to passing 2. And I haven't really done much. So I'm okay with Take Profit Trader, you know, at this point. And I'm okay with Apex. I'm okay with Tradify. I'm okay with listed accounts. I've got 5 funded accounts with Tradify. One of the problem with I've got 4 now because they took a bit frustrating. This is the problem. I don't want to keep talking about stuff, right? But it just kind of reminds me, right? But they took one of my Tradify accounts away because I was inactive. It looks like I haven't been trading for about a week now, or maybe a little longer. Because I didn't want to trade any of my funded accounts. A lot of my funded accounts, I wanted to kind of really let it roll over into the new year. And apparently, I did not realize that by doing that, you know, they take your account away for inactivity. So I got 4 Tradify funded accounts, but even then, the 4 funded accounts are kind of weird because they all have a funky account numbers. You know what I mean? Like, one of my funded accounts on my Tradify is what do you call this? One day daily payout, right? And one of them is the 5-day, and one of them is growth account, and one of them is something else. I can't remember exactly what it was, but it's weird. Right, all they got different numbers. I'm like, you know, I don't know what is what now, but I'll try to pay attention to Tradify next year, moving into next year. For now, I'm going to try and flip my accounts so I don't end up losing my accounts, including listed as well, and then I'll try to see if I can actually get to 3 funded accounts on my Bureaunox and try to see. And I'm gonna have to think about what I'm gonna do with Top Step, because instead of Top Step loading in a new combines, I ended up loading in Legend, right? The 150k Legend accounts, and that's what I did. And of course, I'm an idiot for putting a wrong platform. Instead of putting a Tradivate, I put a Rhythmic. Weird. But that's what it is. So I'm going to try and trade a Legend with a lot more accounts and try to see if I can be consistently profitable on the Legend and my Bureaunox, and try to see and put Top Step as a back burner for now. Yeah, we just gotta, well, yeah, I mean, none of the prop firms are gonna have, well, if it's a great rule, they've gotta kind of stay in the game, right? So we just gotta find a way to trade these firms with their rules, and, you know, get payouts, you know what I mean? Just get payouts. I mean, look, I mean, Apex has the biggest complicated rules ever, and yet for me, it's by far the biggest payout story for the month of December, right? So, oh yeah, and by the way, yeah, I've got to trade the funded futures network too. Yeah, yeah, God, I also completely forgot about Fund the Futures Network too. I've got to load in some accounts with them too. I've got to trade these accounts, man, with no copy trading. And the market obviously not presenting with an opportunity. It's really hard, right? All right, guys, we're getting a little pullback into silver here, guys, man. I'm not sure.
Order filled.
Ah, it got filled. Hold on. It got filled. Just kind of feels like it wants to dump here on the silver, right? But it kind of got filled. I'm kind of got into this trade. Yeah, I kind of got stuck in that trade there. I may get, oh man, look at this, man. I'm down $700 on that one single bounce.
Order filled. Order filled.
Whoa, my God. You've got to be kidding, guys, man. Oh. Hit that, man. What the heck?
Order filled.
Hit it. Hit it. What, man? Come on, feel that. Oh, my God.
Order filled.
All right, I got to feel one more. Oh, my God. All right, guys. Oh. Oh. I'm like, oh. Oh. StockTiger. Oh. Oh my, you've got to be kidding, guys, man. Guys, man, what the heck was that? Hold on. I've got to exit this trade right here. If we get a bounce off this VWAP, I'm going to have to exit this trade. Man, that was a nasty bounce.
Order filled.
Oh my God. That did not take, man. The trade didn't go down, just took everything off. Yeah, that was pretty hard. Yeah, that was a tough one. That was a tough one. It was funny though. I was up, man. Oh man, that was weird because I should have taken that profit off that 71.65 area. I was gonna take my profit right off that level. And I had three, right? I took one off, and second took off, and the third one did not take it off. And that was a pretty quick bounce off that level too. It's incredible. That was fun. Well, that was fun though. Yeah, I mean that's okay. Well, if that is the case, well, first of all, SIL I can't trade on bill amounts because they don't have that SIL, so I can't be trading SIL. But what a nice try! I tried trading silver. I kind of feel like, I may be able to get this thing going. I just got to make sure I have a hard stop and well, not a hard stop, but at least have a hard SL. Sorry, not SL. Place a hard TP, right? So that way it gets triggered and then gets a bounce reversal, right? So maybe instead of having an SL, maybe if I have a hard TP and not have a SL, right? Maybe that's probably the way to do this. I don't know. We'll keep trying. I'll try to work something out trading silver, especially with the eval account, and try to see. I kind of like the silver price action better, way better than gold. At least I'm getting into some winning trades too with the silver. You know what I mean? Trying to get better at it, right? Yeah, I know, kind of sound weird today. I don't know what happened. This mic is just all over the place. Too much echo as well, so. Oh, Oh, by the way, guys, we gotta do our giveaway, guys. I'm gonna close the entries right now, and I've gotta take off here. So, but yeah, I mean, trading the silver, I kind of worked out. You know, it's a bit of a mixed bag, but I still feel like I can make something work out. I kind of feel like I'm getting I'm getting a little bit more conviction here trading silver than gold. Much better. So we'll see. And not the micro silver, to be honest with you. Just try the silver one, you know, try to look for that a quick snap, a micro scalping silver, and giving you a nice little $600-700 move. A very quick one. It's kind of working out nicely. So I think today's trades with silver was definitely a lot of fun. I definitely had a lot of fun trading silver here tonight, guys, man. I'll tell you that much. So we'll see how that goes into roll into next year with the eval accounts. I think it's gonna be quite a interesting time with the silver. I don't know how the silver is gonna play out, but you know what? Can you imagine? I mean, if you are on one of your funded accounts and you really catch that big move with one mini silver, I wonder how much that's gonna be, man. That's gonna be crazy, like profits. I don't know if any of you guys are actually like, did anybody catch that big move here this morning on the dumpage? I really wonder if any one of you actually caught that move to the downside right in this morning. Well, it was right at the pre-market, right at about 7 o'clock in the morning. That's when the real dump actually started to happen. Well, actually, no, I lied. It actually started last night, but I mean, whatever. But did anybody catch that big move, like $1 or $2, with your funded accounts? Did anybody do that? I'm really curious to know if anybody really like successfully accomplished $1 or $2 on your funded account, on any of your funded account, or maybe a Top Step, maybe well, Take Profit here doesn't allow you, right? So, oh, you caught it, but you caught it on the wrong side. Oh well, yeah. 12 VAC, you're up $7,500 with the micro silver. Oh man, that's crazy, man. How the heck you do that? But I mean, with how many micros though? That's pretty crazy. No, I really want to know. I'm not trying to, you know, I'm not trying to debate. I'm just trying to find out if anybody here caught that big move with silver. Okay, nobody so far, hey? Nobody. Yeah, but I'll give it a try. Trading silver here with a lot of my eval accounts. Someone on Topstep TV caught the $6,000 profit with one micro silver. $6,000 profit, really? That's crazy. You traded 50k accounts, so I can't take too much drawdown. Yeah, I'm gonna try and trade my legend accounts with the silver. No one dares. Yeah, yeah. I wouldn't dare myself either. But I would love to. Like, can you imagine if you get into one single trade and that really catches you in the right direction? That's gonna be like over. I don't know, man. I don't even want to think about a number, but you could easily get to like $20,000, right, in a single move. And that's crazy. But anyways, guys, let's go ahead and do our giveaway. I'm gonna close the entries here, guys. I've gotta go. So let's get it done, guys. Let's get it done, everybody. Thank you guys for your support, everybody. Take a few seconds of your time to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. I'm gonna close the entries right now. We are getting that pullback here, guys, on the silver. So look at that, man. That's incredible. The silver is definitely making some move here today. All right, guys, I'm gonna give you 1 minute to claim your price as well if you are the winner. Holy man, look at that, man. Wow, look at that. We got 12 Vic VAC making $8,000 on that trade. That's incredible. All right, guys, I'm gonna pick the winner now. Good luck, everybody. Once again, Mr. Con Divergence Master. I'm gonna give you 1 minute to confirm that you are here with us. Con Divergence Master, are you here? Let me know, brother, if you are here. I'm gonna give you 1 minute to confirm that you are here with us. Get a little pullback here, guys. 72.2 on the NQ. Please ask which prop firm. I think it's TFB, right? Born to Win. I think it's TFD, right? That's what does TFB stands for. I don't know. Whatever. That's 1 minute, guys. A little less than 1 minute now. You have. Oh my God, Con Divergence. Come on, you could have made this a little more exciting here, right? Say you are here a little bit later, you know what I mean, towards the very end, down to like 5 seconds to go. But anyways, guys, it looks like Con Divergence try to play safe, right? So good stuff, man. Con Divergence Master, you are here. He's confirmed that he's here with us, so there we go, guys. The winner here goes to Con Divergence. Thank you for confirming. And wow, man, look at all this fancy profits P&L, everybody. You guys are killing. Oh my God, man, we go. Oh, QN, man, $23,000 negative trading silver. Oh my God. Hey man, guys, man, that's the moral story right there, man. QN has just given you that big fat story on what you have to do with silver, guys. Don't take this for granted, guys. This is a very important information. QN knows how to trade. He's one of our great traders on our Discord, by the way. And this is what QN is saying. Don't trade silver. Moral story right here. Be careful, guys, everybody, man. It's crazy. It's pretty wild, man. Oh my God. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna have to take a look at a little bit of a deeper look at this P&L here, because this is definitely giving me a little bit of a story on what to do with silver going forward. My hands are kind of shaking right here, right now. Oh my God, man, that's pretty wild. Tiger code is not working. You gotta pick the option 150K. It should be working. Just type in lowercase the real Luca. It should be working. Tiger lowercase. It's definitely working. All right, fellow traders. Hey, by the way, Con Divergence Master, please DM me on my Discord right after the streaming is over. Anyways, guys, thank you all of you for being here today. I know I kind of sound weird. I'll get this thing fixed. I'll get this thing fixed by tomorrow. You're gonna see a completely different StockTiger, a beautiful voice incoming here tomorrow night. Globex Asia, guys, we're counting down to the new year. Everybody, trade safe. Be careful in your trades. Like I said again, maybe it's time to not trade silver anymore. I may have to start walking away from silver, guys. All right, fellow traders. We will see you guys back tomorrow during the Globex Asia, guys, at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Until then, everybody have a great rest of the night. We are going to do our Take Profit Trader 150K account giveaway tomorrow, guys. It's a big fat day. We'll see you guys back tomorrow night, everybody. Let's have some fun. Let's kick ass the market tomorrow, guys. Once again, be careful trading tomorrow morning. It's going to be a wild day. Right, we only got a few more days to go before we get into the new year, guys. Protect your accounts, everybody. Thank you so much love. We'll see you guys back tomorrow night, 5:30 p.m. Everybody have a great rest of the night. Thank you so much. God bless you and your family. Take care. Love you guys once again, and peace out, everybody. Thank you, and bye-bye. Oh, tomorrow's FOMC. I have no idea. I have to go take a look and see. Thank you, guys. Everybody, love you so much. Peace out, everybody. Bye-bye.